Hello everyone, today we'll be making a rocket countdown spectacle. So first, we're going to make the countdown. And to do that, we're going to import time. Time is a module that includes many time-related functions. And first, we'll be using a loop. The loop we're going to be using is called for. When you want to run something for a specific amount of times, use for. So here we're going to run I in range. And then first is the number you want to start as, 10. And next is the number you want to run until. So when I becomes 0, it stops. But it's not even going to run while it's 0. It just stops when it's 0. And then the next number is how much you want to change it by. So we're going to change it by -1. So it'll decrease every time. And then on the next line, we're going to write print I. So I is whatever number it's at. And it's not going to run to 0 because when it gets to 0, it just stops. Now we are going to use something from the time module. It's called sleep. So we're going to write time, sleep, and in the brackets, just how many seconds. So here it's a countdown, so 1. This statement introduces a pause of 1 second between each number, creating an effect of a real-time countdown. And for after this loop is done, we print blast off, rocket, and explosion signs. Now we're going to run it.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Liftoff.
When this program runs, it simulates a rocket preparing for launch, ending with a countdown and celebratory visual. This is all for today. See you next time.